Okay, here we're trying to solve for e, so we're trying to isolate this e. Well, we have something multiplied by the e and then something added to that. So first we're going to get rid of the thing that's being added by subtracting pi r from both sides. Whatever pi r is, just think of it as like 8 minus 8 minus 8. You get s minus pi r equals pi r times e. And now you have something pi r being multiplied by e, but it might as well just be like 8 times e. And if it was 8 times e, we divide by 8, so we just divide by whatever that is, pi r. Divide this side by pi r. Now be careful here. The pi r and pi r here don't cancel. That would only be if everything up here was separated by multiplication. It's not. So these do not cancel here. Okay, these do cancel. The pi and the r cancel here because it's pi times r times e. It's all multiplication here, so we cancel that out. It's 1 times e, which is e. Over here, we can just leave it like this. There is another version. You could write this as s over pi r minus pi r over pi r, where you sort of split the fraction into two separate fractions, and then this would cancel to 1. But it's not necessary. This would be an acceptable solution for e, but you can just leave it like this. Over here, we're trying to solve for r. It's a little trickier here. So we've got pi r plus pi r e, and we're trying to solve for this r here. There's two r's, though. So here's what we're going to do, in fact. We're going to factor out the r, okay? And then it's r times all of the rest here, okay? And who cares what the rest is? It might as well just be r times 8 now. And if it was that, we'd divide by 8. So we just divide by what's being multiplied by r. It's this big, you know, thing in parentheses, but so what? You just divide both sides by that. And this does cancel because it's r times this, and you're dividing by that, so those cancel, and you get r is equal to s divided by that. And that's the answer.